Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my Grow with Grace binder that have some long-term savings challenges that I'm saving for the whole year with $100 in prop money. And I use prop money because I transfer the money straight into my high yield savings account that will earn me interest. And then when I need the funds, I would just transfer it back into a traditional checking account and get the money that way. So we is just earning money as it sit, and then when I need it, I just transfer it back so I can use it. So let's get started. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I am off this weekend, so I'm having a wonderful weekend, making the best of it with all this rain. But yes, let's move some stuff around. First challenge we have here, I am saving for taxes. So this is to say 2026 and 2026. You can find this in my Etsy or in my Kofi. Both are linked down below in the description box. Is a digital download. So what you can do is, one way you can play this, you can play this however you want, but this is how I'm playing it. I am rolling a colored die here, and I landed on purple. And I usually roll a die to see how much I'm saving in purple, but I'm just going to go ahead and let's put 25 in here. I was going to do that 30, but I think I'm just going to do 25. And I like this because you can just adjust it to your budget at the time. So if you only had enough to put $3 in, you can just put $3. Just make it your own, sis. Make it your own. So we got 10, 20, and 5. So 25 is going into here. Boom. Let's see. What we have next is vacation. All right, and this is created by Mint Dough. This also is a digital download that I just shrunk so it can fit into my envelope. This says $1,200, and I'm just going to do, what should I do? Should I just do 9 and 7? Or let me do the 12 here. Let's do the 12. Let's do 12. And let's do a small one down here. Let's do 12 and let me get the other. Let's do 12 and 3 for 15. Do I have a 3? Yeah. So let's color that in. All right, so we're going to put 15 into this one. 5, 10, 15. Perfect. And we can always come back here if we need to. Next, we got saving for my son's senior year, class of 2026. This is created by Lemon Ivy Budgets. And we are just going to pick one and scratch one. Let's go here. And, ooh, that's 15. This says $150. And we got a 15. So next week, we will be finished with this one. Yes. So 5, 10, 15. Can't wait to finish. All right, next we got Month Ahead. And this is created by Snow Garner 307. This is in her The Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. So I'm going to do this page here. Love Thyself. Yes, darling. What we got here? Not too much. 15. Okay, I want to do at least 3. This one is just calling my name. So that is 5. because I want to finish this next week also, because I want to put a new challenge in here. So 5. Let's go here. Oh, Lord. Well, I thought we was going to do 3. That is a 9. And this says 75. I should have known better. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, we still got a lot of ones. We might can do one more. If I'm pushing it, maybe. Let's do one on this side. Oh, whew, $2. Thank you, Miss Georgette. It's your cute self. So $2. And then we got, oh, then we're going to have 4 for next week. Yikes. So 1 and 2. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are putting $5, $10, $15, $16. All right. Sorry. I need some water. So next we are doing emergency funds. This is Giant Ant Savings and Friends, 1200 plus, created by Budgety Introverts. And I mean, it's a lot of ones here. So let's put an ant down. Each ant is $8, and it says $96. Excuse me, friends. Okay. Hopefully that's better. I don't know what's going on with my voice. Ew. So let's give that ant a friend for $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. And let's do this page. This page says $73. And we are just going to scratch one. Let's do one over here. Ooh, that's a strawberry for $5. Have we ever got a straw? Yeah, we did. $5 strawberry. They eating a strawberry shortcake there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we got $16. So all together, we are putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $13 into our emergency fund. Let's put that in here. And let's put a couple dollars into. Should we do one more in Georgette? I think we should, because I just want to finish this next week. So let's do one more. Let's do the belly here. And that is $6. Okay. So we got 3 scratches for next week, and then we'll be done. I think, ain't that the... Yeah, that's the end of the month, right? I think so. Ooh, child. So that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go back up there to her before I forget. And like I said, this is for a month ahead. All right, let's go now to the most basic saving challenge here, created by Celicia at Beautifully Me and You here on YouTube. This is found on Amazon. And this says 15K. And we are saving this for, it's just a saving buffer. We don't have a designated area this going to. We just going to save this, sweetheart. Just save it. Why? Because it's the most basic saving challenge ever. And this page says $100. What we got left, sis? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got a whole $10. Let's make some shape. The 8, 19. Oh, look at that. Oh, I should have saved that photo. We could have finished this page, but look, we're going to finish this next week. So we got 8, 9, 10. $10 right there. Oh, I had one too many shots of espresso, and I am hyper. Can you guys tell? What is going on here? So let's color this 2 in. All right. I was going through my stash of stuff and I actually found some alcohol markers I got. Ain't that crazy? That's why I said you gotta stop buying stuff because you ain't using it and use what you have. I might be using that next time when I do this book. Let's make sure we got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, yeah, 10. Okay. So let's do this one. I don't know if this is the right color to do. It looks like it. Who don't like the color? Well, I guess it is people out there who don't like the color. But I love the color. Let me see. What should we do next? Should we do another? I don't know, girl. Which 4 should we do? I guess we can go ahead and do this one. Let's do this one. Perfect. So that's our $10. We only got $4 left. $4 left. And then we get to go here and color our tracker because all the circles is $5,000. And then you go to the squares. That's another $5,000 more. And then we go to the domes here for the last $5,000 for $15K. Hey. I said this is the last 5,000 is the window of happiness. Yes, it is. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10 going into our most basic saving challenge. All right, so close to that $100. The first $100. Look at that. That was easy peasy. All right, gems. Enough of my mouth. I will let you guys go and enjoy the rest of your weekend. I am very happy that you guys are showing me so much love and support. Thank you, thank you, thank you to each and every one of you guys. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much. Just share with a friend who might love this content and this chaos. All right, Jills, remember to stay magical and give yourself some grace. Bye.